Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Hard Not Life Sailing. Today I'm going to convert our galley from this to this, with simple steps and materials we already had. So for this project we're going to need all grip top coat, which is polyester urethane top coat base on the light ivory color. I got these for free, thanks Enrique for the freebie. The other product we're gonna need is the Petite Protect on a color named 4700 Gray. This is a two-part primer to help the paint stick to the ceramic. We're going to need a measuring cup, acetone, a masking tape, paint brushes, a sander with 100 grit sandpaper, a mask obviously, and gloves. The best ones you got, because I just got these ones and I wish I had better ones for this project. Then I'm going to start masking off the areas you don't want paint on. At this moment, I realize I don't need the gloves to apply masking tape. This is how it's looking so far. The area is masked off. Now let's get to the next step. I'm going to use 100 grit sandpaper.
Smooth notes whisper through the air, gentle sway here in our lair, soft lights glowing, dreams take flight, calm seas flowing in the night, golden moments, time stands still, heartbeat slow.
A little touch up sandpaper by hand is good for the spots that the sander can't reach. I think I need to use gloves to sand, as this dust feels kind of weird on my hands. Now it is time to use the acetone and get rid of the excess of dust and cleans any kind of grind so the primer can stick. Just pour a little bit in a container and start brushing it off.
Let it be golden moments, time stands still, heart.
Now that everything is clean and dust free, it's time to apply the primer. Remember to wrap up the faucet with wrapping paper. Now I'm mixing up the two-part epoxy primer. Mike had to give me a hand with the mixing measurements. I started applying the primer before it dries, added some acetone to mix it up so it's not too thick, and can run easily through the grout lines.
Break, we lay down in our hands, dream
this is how it looks after I apply the primer to all the surfaces to be painted.
Whispers sweet as we design.
Now it's time to mix the all grip top coat base with top coat converter from the same brand, All Grip.
Baby, fun and laughter all around. In this magic we've created, love and joy in every sound. Tools and time, let's take it slow.
After mixing the all grip base thoroughly, clean up the spatula and add the required amount to the measuring cup. Oops, too bad the camera didn't get that, but that's what I'm doing. But this is the amount I ended up pouring in the cup.
It won't be late. Hearts entwined will elevate.
You gotta mix 2 parts all grip top coat base with 1 part top coat converter, then mix thoroughly.
This fan. Buildings
Reduce with acetone so it's a little bit runnier. And mix it up with a clean spatula.
in this magic we've created.
Now it's time to apply the coat of paint.
Every sound.
Put a coat of paint throughout the surface and let it dry.
Waves roll gently in the bay.
As soon as it's dry, I light sanded it all over again to get rid of bubbles and imperfections to make sure the next coat of paint sticks well.
Palms they sway with ocean breeze. Time slows down, we feel the ease. Anchored here where hearts can play. Safe within Luberon Bay. Luberon Bay where we belong. Listening to the sailor's song. Shelter from the storm.
With 100 grit sandpaper, sand the areas the sander cannot reach.
Candles glow at twilight.
We are going to sand for the 3rd time after letting the paint dry.
Simple joys in every day. In the calm of Luberon Bay. Stars above, they shine so bright.
It's time to wipe the surface and clean it up.
Night, peaceful nights as we all lay. Sleeping safe in Luberon Bay.
3, 4, 5 hands of paint, as many as you want.
Sun slipping down, city lights in view. Feet tapping softly, some vibes coming through. Bassline like buttersweet, saxophone too. This funky rhythm's got me stuck like glue. Sip that mojito, let the groove take you high. Tunes flowing freely, let the stress roll by. Ooh la la, cold lemonade with a twist of lime. In this chill lounge, we lose track of time. Say what? Keep it smooth, keep it cool, slide on through. Stay funky, stay light, let the music guide.
It's time for a last coat.
On a vibe, just me and you. In this fusion of chill, our hearts stay true. Come on now. Lazy evenings with the groove so tight. Fingers snapping, moon glowing bright. Ooh-wee, saxophone whisper making
Mission accomplished. This is the finished product.
night. Shadows dance.
Let it dry for at least 24 hours before taking the masking tape off. 24 hours have passed. let's start taking the masking tape off.
This lounge of funk, good vibes are cast. Come on, keep it smooth, keep it cool, saddle through. That's right. Stay funky, stay light, let the music guide you. Ooh, yeah. We're floating on a vibe, just me and you. In this fusion of chill, our hearts stay true.
After taking the masking tape off, let it set for at least 3 days before using it lightly. The ideal time will be 14 days for it to cure fully. And this is it. The beautiful work finished. I am very happy with the results even though I'm not a pro. I was able to do a makeover to our galley. Now it looks way better, full of life for now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just send me a comment. Bye now.